Welcome to the next video in our series of Windows 10 accessibility features. We're going to go ahead and start with the Start menu and go to Settings and move over to Ease of Access. And this time we're going to be looking at Magnifier. So here are the features of the magnifier that's built into Windows 10. It is useful across some things specifically for the setup of your program, but if you're using magnifier for other things or you need magnifier across programs, you might need to purchase or get a free app of a magnifier to use in that way, because this will work with some things and not with others. You'll just have to try it out and see if it meets your needs. So as we look at the magnifier features, you can see we can turn it off or on with the click. So manually we can, invert the colors so that it will give you a different coloration. So let's turn it on and let's go ahead and invert the colors. So you can see that those individuals with low vision, they tend to like that inverted colors. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. It makes it a little bit harder for me to work. And I'm going to go ahead and keep going down the feature list. So let's look, we can tell it to start the magnifier automatically so that when your Windows computer boots up, when Windows boots up, that automatically is magnifying. You can see here we have a whole page view, and there are some differences that you can do by clicking on this magnifying glass, where you can change the amount of magnification that's happening and the type of view that you get. So the full screen is what we have here that lets you scroll around the screen. The lens is like having a magnifying glass in your hand where you're using it to move around the screen to make something in particular bigger, or maybe to help you find an icon on your desktop or something of that nature. And then the last one is the docked view, and that gives you like a bar magnification at the top. And you can make some adjustments with that, but basically you're going to have to scroll around and have a pretty good understanding of where you are on a page in order to find things, because it really is kind of a limited area that you get to work with when you are doing that. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the full screen view, and then let's see what we have here. So we can have the magnification follow the mouse cursor, and that's what you were just seeing, especially when I had it on the, see, it's following my mouse. So wherever my mouse goes, that's where the magnification is going. If you're on the magnification glass, the lens, wherever my mouse is, that's where the magnification is going. And the same with the bar graph. Wherever it is, that's where the magnification is going to go. We can have it follow the keyboard focus. So when you're typing on a word processor and you want to focus on the keyboard, you can have it follow that as well, because you're not always moving your mouse around. And you can also have the magnifier follow the text insertion point. So as you tab across the page, the magnifier will go to that next space and go into the text insertion point, just like when you're filling out a form or something. So once again, here are some features that you can use that are built in that might expand your use of the computer, so that you have better use of a tool. Thank you.